song, but brand new.
Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel, and if you're someone watching this videos for the first time, hi, my name is Sweta. I do videos on makeup, beauty, Indian ethnic fashion, many saree styling videos on my channel. So guys, if you love all this girly stuff, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and please be my dear family member. So in today's video, I'm going to share this makeup look. Basically this look is one of my old looks जो मैं कुछ साल पहले अपने Instagram में share किया था, but I have never done a tutorial on it. So I thought this is the ideal time to share this look because festive season is just around the corner. So keeping in that mind, I'm planning few looks and festive related content on my Instagram and on my YouTube. So guys, if you want to learn how I achieve this makeup look step by step, please keep watching this video till the end. In today's tutorial, I'm going to share full face makeup. So to begin with, I'm going to start off with eyebrows. So after combing my eyebrow here in upper direction, I'm going to outline and fill up my eyebrow with a Charlotte Tilbury Brow Cheat Micro Precision Brow Pencil. This brow pencil is just amazing. It gives the most natural looking eyebrow. I'll be sharing few drugstore options in my description box below. So definitely you can check out all the product details from there. In the next step, to keep the brow hair in place, I'm applying the Brow Fix Clear Gel again from Charlotte Tilbury, which helps to give you the perfect brush up eyebrow look. And after that, to clean the eyebrow edge and give an instant lift to the eyebrow, I'm applying the concealer. So now let's start the eye makeup. So first I'm applying the glitter primer onto the eyelid. Today I'll be using loose pigment in my eye makeup. So to get that tacky base, I need to apply it all over my eyelid. Then I'm going to apply the concealer to cover any discoloration on my eyelid, and with the help of my fingertips I'm gonna blend it. Now don't forget to set the concealer with a loose powder to prevent creasing, which I have done off camera. For today's eye look, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild color icon palette. So first I'm going to pick up this warm shade right here, and with a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to apply this eyeshadow onto the inner crease area. And after that, to define the socket area, I'm using this reddish brown color. Now again I'm going to go back with the warm shade, the first transition color, and blend the two colors so that you can get a smooth transition. In the next step, I'm going to draw the winged eyeliner, and I'm using NYX Epic Eyeliner, which is by far my most favorite eyeliner product.
And I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new.
Now for the lid area, I'm going to pick up this copper shade from the same palette, and onto the entire lid area I'm going to apply the shadow with a flat definer brush. This copper shade has gold undertone, but as my old look, I want the eyeshadow to be more reddish. So top of the shimmery shade, I'm going to apply this loose pigment, which is from Shop Mise, and top of the shimmer shade I'm going to layer this loose pigment. Layering is the process by which you can get maximum opacity from an eyeshadow. Along with that, by that process you can make your eyeshadow long lasting. Today I want to make my eyeliner a little smudgy and smoky, so I'm going to apply the brown eyeshadow and kind of smudging the edge of the eyeliner like I'm doing here in this video. And then to intensify the eyeliner, I'm reapplying it, but only onto the lash line. Once it's done, I'm gonna start the base makeup. I already moisturized my face off camera, which is very important before applying the base makeup. Now to get that glowy and smooth base, I'm applying this hydrating primer from Wet n Wild and applying it pretty much all over my face. In the next step, I'm gonna apply the foundation, and as a foundation today I'm using one of my favorite foundation, which is from Sugar Cosmetics. It is called Ace of the Face foundation stick, and I'm in the shade 30 Cocosino. I hope I'm saying it right, and applying it all over my face and neck. Then to make the blending process lot more easier, first I'm going to spray makeup setting spray, and it is from MAC, which I'm using here. And then with the Real Technique beauty sponge, I'm gonna blend the foundation in. Today I'm going to use the concealer only onto the under eye area, because the foundation which I use today already give me a pretty much full coverage. Now to give a subtle warmth to my face, I'm going to apply this cream bronzer which is from ELF, and I'm applying it outer perimeter of my face, and with the same product I'm going to contour my nose. Love this cream bronzer from ELF, it blends effortlessly and it's so affordable. The shade which I'm using here, it's called Honey Drip. It's little lighter on my skin tone, but I won't mind to pick up the darker shade, and I do recommend this bronzer, it's outstanding. In the next step, I'm going to set my whole face apart from my contoured area, of course. And as a product, I'm using here the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation and applying it with a buffing brush. Now to set the under area and concealer, I'm going to use a translucent powder, and this is from Laura Mercier. Now it's time to apply the blush. Here I'm using another favorite products of mine, which is from ELF Bite Size Blush and Highlighter Duo. This pinky peachy blush is appropriate for my brown skin tone.
Morning light, I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but
Now I'm gonna highlight my face, and I'm using the highlighter shade from the Bite Size palette, and I'm applying it highest point of my face. I love the highlighter because it's beautiful, wearable, and don't give this chunky glittery look.
is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They
Let's go back to the eyes and finish up the eye look. On my lower lash line, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Last Long Wear Pencil in the shade Forest Green, and I'm applying it thickly all over my lower lash line. Now to set the creamy gel eyeliner, top of that I'm going to apply this shimmery green eyeshadow from this limited edition Wet n Wild Passion palette and smoke out the lower lash line.
live, oh, I'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side.
Now I'm going to apply the mascara. Today I am using this Clean Beauty mascara from the brand Beauty Counter. I just love this mascara. It helps to separate the eyelashes and give volume and length, and applying good coat of it on my upper and lower lashes. For my lips, today I want a warm nude shade, and as a product I'm gonna apply this Shine Loud NYX lipstick. It is in the shade Ambition Statement. The lipstick is a must-have. Why it is so? You're gonna get it. So this lipstick has a two-side liquid lipstick side and clear gel side. After applying the liquid lipstick on my lips, I'm gonna let it dry for a few minutes. Then I'll be applying the gel top of that. The best part, it makes the whole lip stain transfer proof. You can get the glossy lip effect throughout the day. Of course, you need to reapply the gloss whenever it's required. Now it's time to add the golden touch to the face. Yes, we need a setting spray to set the whole makeup and make it last longer. I'm gonna apply the setting spray from MAC all over my face. So guys, this is my final look. So this is how you can achieve a colorful look, but in a traditional Indian way. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If so, please give this video a like, share this video, share my channel with everyone so that everyone get to know about my channel, about this tutorial. So guys, I'll be back here soon with another exciting video. Until then, stay happy, stay beautiful, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye bye guys.
Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light.